Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do that, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the sound option. It should be in the device settings. So let me tap on sound option, and now we have to scroll down a little, and here we've got 3 options which are connected to changing the ringtone actually. So we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option from which I've just shown you. What's more, we've got the notification ringtone and alarm ringtone. So let me show you how to change it using the phone ringtone, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we have been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. So here we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. What's more, we've got the option none, so it means that your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. So I'm not really sure if it is the best idea to choose this option. What's more, we can tap on add from we can tap on add from music, and if you will have any compatible files, they will appear, for example, after tapping the music, and they will appear right there. Okay, just give the permissions, and if you will have any compatible files, as I said, for example, downloaded from the internet, they will appear right here, and you will be able to choose them and set them as your own ringtone. But obviously, because I do not have any files, just let me get back and choose something from this list, and in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And you can listen to the ringtone, you can decide if you like this option, and if you like it, just make sure that it is marked like here and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation will be with notifications and alarms, so let me show you it again. On the notifications, we can also set none option, we can also add it from the music, and here we've got also the list of the fully installed ones, so just tap on it, listen if you like it, and if you like it, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it also appears right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.